Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to begin Unit 9, Fundations, Lesson 1. We're going to continue with our controlled combinations or syllables, but we're going to add UR, IR, and ER spellings. Let's first begin by reviewing and starting some trick words. Our first trick word is picture. Say that with me. Picture. Second word, learn. What word? Learn. Third word, earth. What word? Earth. Earth, as you notice, does not have a capital letter. It is lowercase, which means that it is from the ground, from the earth, like dirt. Okay? Let's start by grabbing a dry erase board, marker, and an eraser so that we can practice writing these words. First, we're going to air write each word 2 times. I'll model for you. Get ready. Picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. One more time. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. I want you to do the same thing with learn and earth. After you're finished with each word, you're going to write each word 3 times on the dry erase board. When you're finished, if you want, you can pause the video, come back to the next part. Okay, I guess everybody's had some time to practice those trick words. Another way that you could practice trick words is by bouncing a ball, and every time you hit the ground, you could say a new letter. You can write them in the dirt, you can write them with shaving cream in the bathroom. So there's all kinds of ways to practice trick words. Now we're going to come back to our controlled sounds. As I showed you with these cards earlier, let's review the sounds that they make, and then we'll discuss how they're spelled. E-R. So we remember it's E-R, her, O-R, horn, or. A-R, car, R. U-R, bird, I-R, bird, So these are our R-controlled combinations for our syllables. But we're going to focus today on E-R, I-R, and U-R. One thing I want you to know about E-R, I-R, and U-R is that these combinations have the same sound. They all say Another thing to remember is our controlled combinations get 1 tap when we're tapping out the words. Let's start by saying the word first. Now, as you notice, I have left out the R control combination because we're going to have to pick one of these combinations to spell first. The word is first, so let's tap it out. Get ready. First. As you notice, I tapped 1 tap for my sound. Well, what I want to do is I want to find out which R-controlled combination will help to spell the word first. So what I've done is I've taken these sticky notes and I want to just place them in the middle to find out which one looks right. So I'm going to start with UR. Does this look right? No, it doesn't look right. I'm going to try ER. Does this look like the right spelling for first? No. All right, now we're going to try IR. Does this look like the right spelling for first? Yes, you're right. IR. So what I want you to think about when you're spelling words that have the sound is to think about the 3 combinations that make that sound. UR, ER, IR. What you can do is you can take each sound and place it in the word to see which one looks right. Kind of like as readers, when we look at words, does it make sense? Does it look right? Ask yourself that as you're spelling these words. Now we're going to practice. Okay, I have written some words here, and I have left out the combination. But what I've done is I've written the word 3 different times, but inserted the different vowel combination spellings for the reason why I'm doing this is to see which spelling looks right. So we're going to start here. This is twirl. In the word twirl, I want to find out which vowel combination of looks correct. I noticed IR, that one looks pretty good. That one looks correct. I'm looking at ER and I know that is not the right way to spell twirl. So I'm just going to cross that off. And then here for twirl, UR doesn't look right either. So I'm just going to cross that one off. I want to choose this spelling for twirl using the R-controlled combination IR. So I'm just going to write IR here. And this is a strategy you can do when you're spelling words that have the sound, is pick from the 3 different combinations. Let's try the next one. The word is burn. Burn can be spelled with an IR, an ER, or a UR. I know that IR does not look like the right spelling. And I know ER doesn't look quite right either, but UR does look right. So I'm going to use a UR to spell burn. The next word is chirp. So I'm missing the sound. And I have 3 different spellings. IR looks like the right spelling for chirp. ER, that doesn't look right. UR does not look correct either. So I know my best spelling for chirp is with an IR. And we're going to try one more together. The last word we're going to spell is fern. And I know it can be spelled with an IR, an ER, or a UR. Fern with an IR doesn't quite look right. ER looks like it could be the right spelling. UR does not look correct. So my best spelling is FERN. What I want you to do now is with your dry erase board and marker, I'm going to dictate some words for you to practice spelling. I'm only going to do about 3 or 4. What I want you to do is write your beginning and your middle sound and your end sound. But what you're going to do for the I want you to put a box and leave it blank. Try and write 3 different spellings for that word using either ER, IR, or UR. And just like how we did, circle the spelling that looks correct. This is the best way to help you decide which R control combination to use for the sound. All right, everyone get ready. The first word is verb. I want you to spell verb. If you need to tap it out, you can do that. Verb. You know it has 3 different sounds. Okay, my second word, burp. Burp. We'll tap it out. Burp. Burp. 3 sounds. And my last word, serve. Serve. Let's sound it out. We'll tap it. Serve. Now I want you to check over your work. I'll go ahead and just write it down here. And since we have some time, we can mark up each word as well. First word is verb. It's spelled V-E-R-B. My R-controlled combination is an E-R, and we know that this is an R-controlled syllable, so I'm just going to give it an R underneath that scoop. My second word, burp. B-U-R-P. The R controlled combination is UR, and it is an R controlled syllable. My last word is serve. This one's a little tricky. There is an E on the end of serve. It does have an R controlled combination, but because it has this E on the end, it becomes a vowel consonant E, which is a little tricky, but we still use that R controlled combination of ER with it. All right, I hope you did pretty good on this one. We're going to keep practicing in this unit with R controlled combinations, ER, IR, and UR. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and click on the student template on Seesaw to practice more with these R controlled combinations. Thanks, bye.